Hey everybody, welcome back to class. Today we're going to take a look at how to fill out the value scale using Kleki. And we're here in our Google Classroom on the Classwork tab. You're going to have a lot more things in your Classwork tab than this, but under your current rotation, you will find this value scale. So we're going to click on the value scale, view assignment, and the assignment says follow the directions in the tutorial below. So there will be a tutorial, the one I'm currently recording, below here. So here's what you need to do. Click the Google Drawings tab first, make a copy, and it's going to open this up in Google Drive. But you don't need to worry about any of that. Just click the word File right up here by the red rectangle. Go down to Download and JPEG, and it just downloaded it and it's showing me down here. So now we're going to go back to the value scale activity, and we're going to click Kleki. We're going to look in the top right corner here where this yellow folder is, import image, and the copy of the value scale is the last thing that we downloaded, so it's the very first thing here, and we can select open. We want to select as layer and OK. So the very top grayscale, or the very top scale, is a grayscale, and we will find all of the grayscale values in this rectangular window from black to white. Well, the very first value on the right we need to enter, or we need to fill, is black. So let's go get our paint bucket tool and we'll fill it black. Then we'll just progressively work our way up the left side of this, just moving up a little bit at a time, staying all the way to the left so it doesn't turn any color of red. And each one of these spaces is going to be lighter than the next one. So we're trying to make them even steps, and we've got one more in here to make. So that looks like pretty even transition from white to black. Now the very next one, we're going to go for the color value scale, and we're going to start up here in the corner with the lightest color of red, and then we're going to work right down through here through the diagonal, because this is the section that shows if we added gray to the red, and we're progressively adding more and more gray, more and more gray, and we're just working on the diagonal from the top left to the bottom right. And the closer we get to the right side of this scale, it will be almost black. And we don't have to get all the way into the corner. We want to be able to see that this is a value scale that has red plus gray. Then the bottom one, you can actually go across the top and show what it would look like if we added white to our red. So we're going to just keep going across equal increments progressively over, and the color is going to be very intense in the biggest section and the most tint in the smallest section. So when you get completely done with this, you'll click the blue Save Image arrow, and it's going to download it again. You don't have to do anything. I want you to go back to your value scale assignment, and we want to add. We want to add a file, and this has to go back into our Google Drive first. So we're going to go to this copy of value scale 1 through 9, and we're going to insert image, upload from computer, and the very first one is the last thing that we downloaded. So we just insert that, and that is done now. We can close that. We can go to our value scale, add or create, Google Drive. There's the value scale. Insert, and then turn in. And that's all there is to it.